Once you log into your dashboard, click Select Product. You can browse existing uploads, search your library, or upload a new product. When uploading, select up to 4 high-resolution images of the same item from different angles. This helps the AI understand its shape and structure for accurate results. After your product is selected, choose the image that best represents how you'd like it showcased. Then click Use Selected Images to continue. On the next screen, you'll have the option to add a reference image. While this step is optional, it's a great way to guide the AI to match a specific mood, scene, or style. You can either upload your own reference or choose from curated images organized by category in the Shutter Labs collection. Next, pick your preferred aspect ratio. Whether it's for your website banners, product detail pages, or social media posts, you're in control.
Now it's time to describe the scene you want. If the prompt box is empty, the system will generate a complete prompt for you. You can also type it out in everyday language. For example, modern bed in a light-filled Nordic bedroom. Not sure what to write? Just tap the auto prompt icon. It will generate a full prompt based on your product and reference image. Then choose how many images you'd like and click Generate. That's it. In just seconds, our advanced AI gets to work, producing photorealistic lifestyle images of your product in beautiful, real-world settings. Want to tweak something? Simply click Edit to enter edit mode and fine-tune the result. Once you're happy, you can download your image or upscale it for maximum clarity and quality, ready for your website, campaigns, or marketplace listings.